So we have a train here at Bryant Road. Bryant is how you pronounce this road name. Here in Sand Creek, Michigan. Well, I'm about a half a mile or less from Sand Creek. Grandma, you can be near me. You don't have to be so close to these daners when they go off. Today is January 17th, 2023. Today is our Tuesday extravaganza, folks. At about 6:35 or more in the evening. Let me see. No, actually, it is about 6:42 p.m. CP 141. Or not, folks. And there is a car on Elliott turning left onto Bryant, which is right behind me, where I have a car at. There we go. Now I knew better than to turn off my flash instead of turning off the video like I did at the M150 whenever I was at M156. Well, anyway, once again, today is January 17th, 2023. Today is our Tuesday extravaganza, folks. Okay, so that's it.